Finally got all my parcels and we are gonna unbox it together. Welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I've shopped from Nykaa and Myntra in their sale. It's all beauty and makeup products, so without any further ado, but before starting the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that bell notification button as well. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with this small parcel, let's see what we have got. I'm going to be mentioning everything, all the prices and everything in the video, so don't worry about that. Okay, so the first one is actually a freebie. It's from Laneige. It's the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer. This I've got on the purchase of a lip mask and a lip balm, which I'm going to show you next, whichever comes in the box now. This is the next one I'm going to open. Okay, what is this? Yes. As I mentioned, I picked up their lip sleeping mask. This is the gummy bear variant. It has 8 grams of product and this retails for 600, but on discount and with the M cash, whatever they have, I've got it only for like 300 rupees or something. So yay. I also picked up this lip balm, which is the vanilla variant. I am using the grapefruit variant right now, and I absolutely love Laneige lip products, as you will see in the haul coming up. This is, I think, a clear lip balm. Oh, it's a milky white lip balm. This is how it looks like. It does not have any fragrance as such. I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. The texture is a little different from the grapefruit one, I must say. And the next thing in this parcel is Aqualogica face sunscreen. This also I got as a freebie. I'm not really excited about this one honestly, but why not? Let's try it out and see how it works. Okay, moving on. This is a very light parcel, so I'm guessing there is only one product in here, and I think I know what it is. It might be a lip liner, I am guessing. Yes, it's the Swiss Beauty lip liner, which I had heard great things about, especially their shade dark chocolate, and that is what I picked up. It is usually out of stock everywhere, and luckily I got it. Why is this so difficult? Oh. This is how it looks like. I'm so excited to try this one out. Is it me or am I really bad at... Okay, finally. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, I've broken the tip. Wow. But this is how it looks like. I don't have a lip liner in this shade. I have all different kinds of brown, but nothing in this shade. So I'm really excited to try it out. Alright, moving on to the last parcel from Myntra now. This box came in like this. It was squished, but nothing can be done about it now. I hope the product inside is safe. Which is... oh yeah, I picked up a blush, I remember. This is from the brand Hilary Rhoda. I have heard about it. Honestly, I used to find this brand a little skeptical. Like, I'm not really sure about this brand. Thoda sketchy to lagta hai mujhe ye, but I read about it and it is made in India only. But I don't know, the name only made it sound like little sketchy. But I'm gonna give this a try. I was looking for a blush and I wanted something inexpensive at the moment just to try. This is their quick cream blush. This is in the shade Red Alert. Yeah, I've picked up a red blush. This is how it is. It's not really red, but it is like a warm... yeah, it's not red at all. It's a pink, warm pink shade. Has very, I think, sheer to medium coverage, and I think you can build it up. I'm going to try this out and see. This is definitely not a red color, red shade, but the name says Red Alert. Anyway, let's move on. Moving on to Nykaa now. We are going to start with an already unboxed parcel, but let's pretend we are unboxing it together. This is a mascara comb. Yeah, eyelash definer mascara comb. This is from the brand Feel Good Club. This I found on Nykaa while scrolling for some tools, and I don't know, it just appealed to me. So I'm going to open it. So with these extensions, I can't function at all. Anyway, this is how it looks like. It has a nice cap to cover it, because it is like a fine tooth metal comb for like eyelashes to separate your eyelashes after applying mascara. And I've already used it. I liked it. It's a good tool to have if you have like a problem of clumpy eyelashes after applying mascara. I think this is a really nice tool for that. Okay, moving on to the next one now. I'm really not sure how to open this up without destroying the package. My gosh. I feel like my nail is only going to pop while doing this. Let's go. Okay, so there's another Laneige freebie. This is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Alright, the first thing that I'm gonna unbox is this Insight lipstick. I'm really excited to try this. I saw a few reels and shorts about this. It has very luxe kind of packaging apparently, and it is also a dupe of some brand. This is how you open it, and here it is. Sorry, take two. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very, very luxe. Picked up the shade After Hours, and I'm gonna swatch it and see how it is. It's a cream lipstick, and I really like cream lipsticks over matte ones these days. This is how it looks like. It's kind of dark. I was hoping it'll be a little lighter, but it's a cream lipstick, so you can build it up. If you want like a sheer coverage, then you apply a little less, and if you want more coverage, then apply more. That's how it is. It has vitamin E, shea butter, and castor oil. So apparently it's supposed to be good for hydrating and nourishing your lips. We'll try and see. Okay, moving on to the other one now. I really don't like when the boxes come damaged. It just ruins the shopping experience, for me at least. But anyway, I hope the products inside are not damaged. I think I know what it is, and I'm really excited to try this. Ooh, it's the new launch from Laneige. It's their Juice Pop Box Lip Tint. I'm really excited because I saw some videos and I didn't see a lot of Indian creators making a video on this, so I thought I should try it out for myself and review it. Okay, I can't. My nails are not letting me open it. Oh my god. Ooh. This is how it looks like. It's super cute. I especially like this part. You can just hang it on your bag, which I don't do usually, but ठीक है, किसी किसी को पसंद आता है ये. Anyway, I'm gonna just open it and swatch it. This is in the shade Jazzy Jam. I am actually really excited about the applicator of this. It's really different. That's why the application is apparently easier. I'm gonna swatch it here now. Ooh, it's very nice on my hand. I'm not really sure how it's gonna get applied on my lips. शायद से ये दिखेगा भी नहीं मेरे lips पे, but ठीक है, I wanted to try it out. This retails for 1350, which is a little expensive, like on the expensive side, but ठीक है, try करना था तो इसलिए ले लिया, and it's my birthday month, so I won't complain or regret about it. And finally, the last but not the least, I'm gonna open this huge parcel from Nykaa. Okay, let's see how to open it or where to open it from. I'm gonna just go ahead now. जिधर से भी खुल जाए, बस खुल जाओ अभी. Yes, that's right. Sorry, इतनी ताकत नहीं है अभी मेरे में. Start with the smaller ones. First, I actually ordered 2 of the Laneige lip tints because I thought एक light color तो एक dark color बनता है. This was slightly open already. Okay, this is in the shade Maroon Melody because I thought कि light shade का tint अगर नहीं दिखे तो फिर dark भी तो चाहिए एक try करने के लिए. Again, the applicator is the same. The shade is Maroon Melody. कहाँ दिखाऊँ इसको मैं? यहाँ दिखा देती हूँ. Ooh, it's really nice. I just hope कि ये patchy apply ना हो lips पे. And this is supposed to leave a tint after some time. So again, not really sure about this. We'll check about the tint in some time. See, this is how it looks like. So this will definitely show up on my lips. It is also like a little warm red, and this is like a cool toned one. Okay, moving on, I picked up this moisturizer from Ponds. It was in their new launches section, and this is their Biome or Biome Miracle Freeze Recovery Gel. It is with pro-ceramide, hyaluron and amino. Apparently it has 50 million calming molecules in it. I'm not really sure about that claim, but it looked really interesting, so I thought, why not, let's try it. I just want to see if it has any fragrance. Okay, it has that typical Pond's moisturizer fragrance, if you know what I mean. I'm just going to take a little bit and swatch it here. Oh, it's like a really nice gel moisturizer. It's supposed to be like calming for your skin if you have a lot of redness. It's supposed to give you instant cooling, which I sometimes need, especially in summers or this humidity. Okay, थोड़ा ठंडा तो लग रहा है definitely, and थोड़ा smooth भी लग रहा है मेरा skin यहाँ पे. I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to do a proper video, so do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube also, because I keep putting on shorts of these kind of things, like small videos about products here and there, so do subscribe as well. Okay, last but not the least, सबसे ज़्यादा excited मैं इसके लिए थी, which is a free gift that I got from Nykaa for shopping so much. It is a trousseau box from K Beauty. I'm also getting married this year, so I think this is gonna be perfect for that. It's just a cute little trousseau box. I can fill all of my makeup in this and take it. It's so cute. It has like red maroon velvet lining inside, and it is a faux leather finishing out front. It has, oh, it's a KX Falguni Shane Peacock collaboration wala trousseau box. So yay. Okay, it's been some time now and I've removed the lip product from my hand. ये वाला जो light shade था Jazzy Jam, इसका tint तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखने वाला मेरे lips पे. So ये maroon मेरे लिए थोड़ा तो दिखेगा. They are very surely pigmented, but yeah, that's about it. I think very disappointing for the price. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.